is Miss Karen. Welcome to the Stark Museum of Art's Summer Art Camp. We'll be doing warp weft weave with our paper looms today. You're going to need this blue piece of paper that has strips already cut into it. You're also going to need these white paper strips. Mine actually say things on them like weft and warp. Yours will not. That's because we'll be able to get a little bit more artsy with your pieces. So if you're joining us without a kit, you'll be able to do this as well. Find any piece of construction paper and cut strips all the way down and stop about here. Give yourself 2 or 3 inches so you don't cut it all the way off. I like to cut mine 1.5 inches long. And then you'll need to cut yourself 5 or 6 strips like this that are 1.5 inches wide. And that's all you really need to get started with paper weaving. This main piece of paper is going to be our paper loom. It also includes the warp strands. On a weaving, the warp is the area, those strings that just don't move. I'm going to position it so that the uncut piece of the paper loom is positioned away from me, and I still have all of these warp strands close to me. That way I can begin to weave through this piece. We also have the weft. The weft is the part of the weaving that moves through the loom. I'm going to start with my weft piece up here on the top left, right up here. And I'm going to move it underneath that first piece of warp. So I'm going to lift it up, go underneath. And in weaving, the best way to get a nice tight weave is to repeat the pattern over, under, over, under, over, under, as many times as you can. So we've gone under. Now I'm going to go over this strand, under the next, over, under, and over. Once we got it in position, you can also just squish it up, up, up to the top. That way it fits really nice and tight. Just move it with your fingers up into position. Now that we've done that, we'll get started on the second. Again, we're moving over and under, but in the opposite of what we've done before. Where we went under last time, we're actually going to go over this time. It's going to start making something that looks like a checkerboard pattern. Let's take a look at this in a moment, at my checkerboard pattern, and see if I did it right. Like that. This is my finished paper loom weaving that I have right here. Now, I mentioned earlier that yours wouldn't actually have all of these words on it. That means that you can get a little more creative with your pieces. I was thinking that maybe on these white, weft pieces of paper, you could even grab some crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and have fun decorating them with lots of color, stripes, patterns, hearts, anything you like. And once you're done, then you'll be able to weave them into your own paper loom. So yours might end up looking something a little bit more like this. If you'd like to hang your finished piece, it's very easy. What you'll want to do is flip this over, get a small piece of masking tape or even Scotch tape, and on the very bottom, that glove strip there, attach the warp and the weft together. And that's going to help your paper loom stay in place and not wiggle so much. So this can hang anywhere you like. Have fun creating.